Hello guys, welcome to Crack the Logic with KC, part of the Gurukul's CAT 100 Study Room to Boardroom series. In this LRDI series, we will be solving 100 carefully chosen sets for the next 100 days. I am Krishna Chaitanya and get ready to try your brain. So today we'll be solving one more logical reasoning problem, and today's set is based on numerical logic. So pause the video, try to solve the problem, and don't forget to keep a track of how much time you are taking to solve this question. Chalo, let's see what is happening in this question. Four sisters, Sumana, Tina, Varsha, Omani, are playing a game such that the loser doubles the money of each of the other player from her share. So whoever is losing will double the money with the other people. They played 4 games and each sister lost one game in alphabetical order. So first S lost, then T, then U, then V. At the end of the 4th game, each sister had 32 rupees. Perfect. At the end of 4th game, each sister had 32 rupees. Now how do we start the problem? If I assume initially they are having S rupees, T rupees, U rupees and V rupees. First round happened. Who lost the game? S will lose the game. What will S do after losing the game? S will double the money with the other people. This will be 2T. This will be another U. So 2U. This will be another V. So 2V. Now how are these extra T, U, V rupees are coming? Those amounts are taken from S and given to other people. So this will be minus T plus U plus V. So the amount left out with S will be S minus T plus U plus V. This is the first round. Now what will happen in the second round? T will lose the game. If T is losing game, what will happen? This will become twice of S minus of T plus U plus V, which means there is an extra S minus T plus U plus V. Similarly, this will become extra 2U, that is 4U. This will become extra 2V, so 4V. Now how are these extra values coming? All these extra amounts are taken from T and given to the other people. Now, so T should be having minus of S minus T plus U plus V plus 2U plus 2V. Because from this total amount should be taken out and distributed to all the other people. Now the total amount left out will be 2T minus of S minus T plus U plus V plus 2U plus 2V. Now we are still in the second round only and we already got a very lengthy equation. What will happen if I am going to 4th round? That will be even a bigger equation. That should be equated to 32. And then we might get the answer. But this whole process looks very complicated, and since we are writing CAT exam, we need to understand they don't ask you to do these stupid calculations in the exam. Now let's think practically what is happening. Each sister had 32 rupees at the ending. So 32, 32, 32 and 32. Who will lose the game first? S, then T, then U, then V. V is the person who is losing at the ending. So, we might have doubled the amount with other people. Plus 16, plus 16, plus 16. Now, where are these plus 16s coming from? All these 3 plus 16s are coming from V's value. So, V is having 32 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16, which are given to other people to make their amounts double. Perfect. Which means, can I say the ending of the 3rd round equal to starting of the 4th round? Nothing is happening in between those two. So, the amount left out will be 80 rupees here. ₹16 here, 16 rupees here and 16 rupees here. One round is completed. Now who will lose? You will lose the game. So U is doubling the amount plus 8, doubling the amount plus 8, doubling the amount plus 40. Now where are these 8, 8 and 40 coming from? They are from 16 plus 8 plus 40. The amount is taken from you and given to other people. Now the ending amount and starting amount should be equal. So this should be 8 rupees, 8 rupees, 40 rupees, and this should be 72 rupees. Okay, now T should lose. So T doubled the amount over here, doubled the amount over here, and doubled the amount over here, which means T might have had 8 plus 4 plus 36 plus 20 rupees initially. I already know this ending and this starting both are equal. So this should be 4 rupees and 36 rupees, 20 rupees, and this will be 36 plus 4, 40, 50, 60, 68 rupees. Now who should lose? S should lose the game. So S is making it double. So it is 34 became double, 34 extra, and this is 18, 18 extra, this is 10, 10 extra. Now what is the amount with S in the starting? That should be 4 plus 34 plus 18 plus 10, which will be, the initial values are 66 rupees, 34 rupees, 18 rupees and 10 rupees with all the people in the starting of the problem. Now let's see what is happening with the questions. So what are the questions talking about? First one, how much money did Sumana start with? Sumana started with 66 rupees. That is option 1. What was the amount with Umani at the end of the second round? At the end of the second round, Umani have 72 rupees. This is option B. Who started with the lowest amount? Varsha started with the lowest amount. That is option C. Who started with the highest amount? Sumana started with 66 rupees, which is the highest amount. Option A. Perfect. So with this, we are done with the set. Now pause the video and try to solve the problem one more time. Whenever you have this type of questions, remember you should start the problem from backwards, not from the starting. See you in the next video, guys. Don't forget to comment down how much time you took to solve the question. Take care.